Hey guys, welcome to Deal's Rise Adventures. This is Keith, and I'd like to thank you again for coming back in or stopping by and watching the channel. I've got some improvements made out here, guys, and I'm in the garage, as y'all can tell, and I just want to show you around a little bit here. It is a mess. Bear with me because my uncle's has been working here, and come overhead, I finally got lights. And these lights, guys, I purchased them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But before, I filmed a couple times out here and I didn't have any lights. I had the garage door open and I didn't have great light. So this light will blind your eyes literally, guys. I only got the middle one. And these lights are the name of Barrina or something like that. And you can get these things in 4, 8, or 10-foot sections. And I got these scattered and staggered down each end of the garage here. My garage is 14 wide by 35. And I'm just going to show you how bright these really are. I'm going to do all 3 now. Yeah. So I got them set up where I can cut each individually one on if I want to. And as you can see how bright they are. I love them. It's exactly the way I wanted them set up. And yeah, I've got some OSB board here, and they're also building me a canopy outside my door here. I got the door closed and the heater on and everything. And I'm just excited about being able to get out here and have some light where I can do some videos and stuff like that. And that was my biggest thing. Here sooner or later I'm going to wrap this all around the garage with this OSB board and paint it and everything. So that'll be looking better. And I got my new compressor out and unboxed it yesterday evening. So I'm getting set up, guys. So it's a process, you know, these winter months and cold weather. My uncle, he is retired, but he works every day, and he stays more busy. Is the reason I hadn't had it set up out here sooner. And but yeah, I'm excited, guys, about being able to get out here and work and piddle around, tinker around, and work on the bike and everything when I need to. But I know I haven't made a video in a long time, and I appreciate all you guys' support. And I've been sitting in on some live streams and watching some of them guys. Dr. Harley, Rolling Throttle, been sitting and watching them, trying to communicate with a lot of you guys. I do sometimes anyway, and follow you guys and continue to support you guys on your channels, watching your videos and everything, and been watching some good content. So hopefully this year's better for me. I'm starting to get some better audio as I've done these HiFi review. I'm gonna do a better review on these Rode wireless mics, but this sound, I'm pretty sure, and I think by watching one of the other videos, the sound is a whole lot better than it was. So if I can fix that sound on my helmet while recording content and vlogging, motovlogging, that'd be good. So that is my goal, guys. But I'm chilling out here. Got the heater here beside me, and it's a night. Warmed up today, a nice 65 degrees actually here in town. But we got a hard rain showers last night, and it stormed and the water raised, and there was some flooding. So the weather down here in Southern Virginia is not going to be great in a particular area that I am. The next week, really, we're getting some rain, and end of next week here, middle toward the end of next week, we're going to drop back down and get some snow, actually. Unfortunately. But all you guys out there out west or north or down south near Florida that's able to ride and stuff through this winter months, hats off to you, man. I'm so glad you're able to do that, and I wish we were able to do that back here in Southern Virginia, but unfortunately we're not able to. But yeah, just I'm chilling in the garage and excited, and I'll go in and eat supper here after a while, and just like being outside when I can, and now I can and see and work and tinker. Like all you guys like being outside in the building or garages tinkering on tools or any kind of equipment or your bikes. So now I can do that. But anyway, guys, I'd just like to thank you guys too. All I'm gonna add in, and for all your comments and support and all the new subscribers I've got. I do appreciate it, and enjoy communicating a little bit with you guys. I've got a couple events this year I'm gonna go to, and excited about meeting you guys. So I look forward to it. Anyway, thank you all for stopping by and watching the channel, subscribing, likes and views. I appreciate all that. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now, and hopefully to make some more soon. I know this one's been a long time since I'd made one. YouTube's probably ready to push me on out. But anyway, guys, all you YouTubers out there, and hope you guys have a blessed day and have a good evening.